Stop asking yourself how to do this after watching this tutorial. Let's start, please don't miss any step. Hello guys, I will show you a shortcut to save time. This shortcut is the most important, you should know about it. Let's start by looking at our keyboard, a question mark or slush key. But if you have a different keyboard, it will be a hyphen key next to the shift key. Keep them in your mind because they will save your time. Now let's test it on this website. Press the button I showed you on preview keyboards. This box will appear at the bottom of your web page. Let me type closer. The results are highlighted. As you can see, it helps to go directly to the topic you are interested in without spending time reading Avery's lines on the web page, especially those without a search option box. Let's try this on Google. Once you press it, it opens the Google search box instead of the box appearing at the bottom of the web page because it has a search box. This shortcut will help you in your research while studying or reading the news because most of those web pages don't have a search box. What you have to do is to press this button and type what you are looking for and save your time. Let's try it also on YouTube. It also opens the YouTube search box. Subscribe to my channel and I will subscribe to yours too once I see it in my YouTube studio.